Hi, I'm Crystal Walters. I'm the communication specialist with the organization Fit for Life, helping families proactively exercise. I am speaking to you today to share something that is important to me and to your family: family exercise. Now, you might be thinking, whoa, hold on there. Exercise with my family? You're crazy. However, as you listen, I will share why it is important for your family to exercise together, and how simple it really is. First of all, exercise can be as simple as going on a walk or going to the park. You can play any game with a ball, slide down the slide, or swing on the swings. It can be 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or even longer. It doesn't need to be fancy, expensive, or time-consuming. It just needs to be you and your family moving together every day. This strengthens your relationship with your kids and your spouse because you are having fun together, strengthening family bonds. Exercising with my family always brings me great joy. Growing up, my parents took us to the park to swim, swing, and play baseball together. We never saw it as exercise because we enjoyed it. I do the same with my nephew now. I take him to play tennis, and he loves it. He enjoys the time we spend together practicing. He is still learning to hit the ball, but I praise him for his efforts and encourage him to keep trying to do better. I don't critique his every move. This provides an atmosphere of love and fun. You can do the same with your kids. Teach them your favorite outdoor activity. Encourage them to try something new. Attempt a different sport. Help them practice. Keep it fun. Don't let anger or frustration overtake your time to enjoy your kids and for them to enjoy their time with you. Secondly, it is important for your heart and your muscles to be outside doing physical activities. This strengthens them against illnesses and diseases by making your body stronger to fight them off. And it keeps your body in shape. Which leads us to the third reason: obesity. Obesity in children and adults is an increasing health concern. Every 13 out of 100 children and every 3 out of 10 adults are obese in Arizona alone. Obesity can lead to high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease, to list a few, and can lead to an early death. Exercise lowers your chances of getting these diseases and illnesses. Therefore, it's important for your health and your kids' health to be outside moving together. It's super easy. Just take 10 minutes out of your day and go outside with your family. Make it fun. If it's fun for you, then it will definitely be fun for your kids. It's that simple. Thank you so much for listening. Visit stateofchildhoodobesity.org for more information shared on this podcast. Again, I am Crystal Walters with Fit for Life, helping families proactively exercise.